So we're going to look at Connected Components Workbench today. We're going to make a simple program of input equals output. So the first thing we'll do is go over to our controllers, and we're going to grab 12QWB, which is our micro A10 controller. Click, drag, and drop it on this side. This is going to measure revision 1. Now we'll right-click on Programs, go to Add, and New Ladder Diagram. Once that comes up, we'll double-click on it and see our first rung there. So we're going to want input equals output. So our input, we're going to have a direct contact for our input. It's going to ask us which variable we want to use for that direct contact. So go to our micro A10 input outputs, and let's pick input 5 just for fun. The next thing we'll do is have a direct coil for our output, and we'll click, drag it, and drop that. And that's going to ask us which variable we want for that one. So let's go to output 3, just for fun, no real reason. So right now we have our input. When this is true, then our output is high. So we're going to right click on our ladder diagram, and we'll go to build. And this will tell us if we have any errors. And we have 0 errors, that's good. Now let's go to download this. This is everything that's connected to my workstation. So let's pick micro A10, click OK. Now it's in remote run right now. It's going to ask if we want to go to remote program, go to yes, and then it will continue to download the program to the PLC. When the download is done, it will ask if we should go back into remote run, and we'll say yes. Let's go to John with the PLC and check it out.
Let's check it out. Alright, so here we have our 24-volt power coming in. You can see it goes to the power rails, which go to the 24-volt plus and minus of the PLC. Over here we have our switch, which is connected to input 5 of the PLC. It's also connected to our 24-volt power here. We have our power jumped over to this other board to show our output. Our output is also 24 volts connected to an LED connected to a resistor, and the PLC is acting like a close to the circuit. So you can see now when I press this button, the light turns on. Now if you look at the PLC, you can see that when I press the button, the light on the I turns on and the light on the O turns on. That's signifying the input and the output.
The program works.
Success.